In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule calendar automations in Trello. By the end, you'll have a time-based rule that automatically creates cards on your board, so recurring tasks and reminders show up exactly when you need them. Start by heading to your Trello boards page. From here, you can either open the board you want to automate or, if you don't have one set up yet, use the Create button at the top to make a new board. Once you're inside the board, look for the automation icon along the top toolbar. Click it to open Butler, Trello's built-in automation tool. In Butler, choose Rules, then switch to the Scheduled section. This is where you create automations that run on a specific calendar cadence, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Click Create Automation to start building your schedule. Next, click Add Trigger and select the schedule that fits your workflow. You can choose how often it runs and specify the exact day and time. Pick something meaningful, like every Monday morning for weekly planning, or the first day of the month for reporting. Make sure the time aligns with your time zone settings so it fires when you expect. With the schedule set, it's time to define what happens when the trigger fires. Click the plus sign to add an action. From the action options, select the one that creates a card. You'll be prompted to type a card title. Use something clear and consistent, like weekly review or invoices to process, so your team knows exactly what it is when it appears. Then choose the list where the card should be created. Select the list that matches your process, such as to-do, backlog, or a specific pipeline stage. This keeps new cards landing in the right place without any extra sorting. Click the plus sign again to add the action to your rule, and then click Save. Your scheduled automation is now active. You'll see it listed in the scheduled view, along with details about when it will run next. When that time arrives, Trello will automatically create the card based on your settings. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the list you selected already exists on the board. Choose a schedule that gives you enough time to act on the card, and keep your card titles consistent so your board stays organized. Also remember that heavy automation use may count toward Butler usage limits, so plan your schedules accordingly. That's it. You've set up a calendar-based automation in Trello that reliably creates cards on a schedule, helping you stay on top of recurring work without manual effort.